Need to create a dynamic presentation that you can present in a Teams meeting? By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a PowerPoint presentation that allows you to design your video feed right into the slides of your deck and share that deck using PowerPoint Live in a Teams meeting. Let's start in the design phase in PowerPoint. You've already laid out your content, so we're going to go to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and we will select the Cameo option. PowerPoint is going to place a video feed window in the bottom corner of the slide using the default size and shape. You can use this button to turn your video feed on and sample what it's going to look like. Click it again to turn that video feed off. If needed, you can resize the window with these handles. You can also drag it to reposition it anywhere on your screen. Want a different shape? No problem. This area will allow you to choose a new camera style. Here we have some common predefined shapes with some effects applied to them. But you do not have to limit your creativity by selecting one of these shapes. You can use the camera shape, camera border, and camera effects tools to truly explore all of the video feed options available to you when inserting your video feed. If you want this feed shape, feed size, and location to be replicated on all of the slides in your deck, select Apply to All Slides. If not, you can simply repeat the steps we just walked through to design your video feed into your presentation in a unique way that enhances the design of each independent slide. Now, all that's left to do is add those final touches on your presentation, which includes transitions and animations if you like. Yes, transitions that move things on a slide and animations can be applied to your video feed inserted by Cameo because they are treated like any other shape or image that you've inserted onto a slide. Now my presentation is final. I've added my content, I've inserted my video feed using Cameo, and all of my speaker's notes are there to keep me on track when it's time to present. Now in the meeting, I'm going to turn my camera on and then select my share tray. Next, under the PowerPoint Live section, I'm going to locate and select my presentation. If your presentation does not appear here, you can scroll to the bottom of the share tray to locate your presentation. Since your camera was already turned on and this presentation includes Cameo inserts or placeholders, your video feed is going to automatically appear on those slides for all to see. If your camera is off when you start presenting, your video feed and the Cameo placeholders you've designed will not be visible to the audience. Turn your camera on to activate them. You have the Layout button here to also help you toggle between using the Cameo inserts or focusing only on your content. Now you can present your slide deck leveraging all of the presentation tools that are available to you in PowerPoint Live. This includes access to your speaker's notes to help keep you on track and remind you of important notes and information to speak to on each slide. Don't worry though, your audience will not see these notes when you're presenting. This red box outlines what your audience can see. If you do not have speaker's notes, you can select the ellipsis and choose Hide Presenter View to remove the notes section and make the presentation full screen for yourself. Some other tools include a laser pointer to direct your audience's attention to specific areas of the slide as you present. There is a pen to annotate on the slide and a highlighter to highlight valuable information. Double-click one of these tools to change the color or manage the line that they create. You also have this eraser tool to remove any pen or highlighter markings that you no longer want visible on the slide. Some important things to remember when you're using PowerPoint Live. Your audience can take advantage of private viewing, which means they can move forward and back through the slides of your deck without interrupting what you're displaying and what others are seeing. To disable this feature and have everyone on the same slide as you, select the Private View button. Also, you can move through your presentation using the slide tray here. Or you can use this Gallery button to see all of your slides organized by the sections you created in PowerPoint. These tools help you move through and jump around your presentation with ease if needed. And that's it! You've just learned how easy it is to make your meeting presentations more dynamic by inserting your video feed and presenting with PowerPoint Live. We encourage you to try these tools for your next virtual presentation.